Incremental greetings. Today I want to share with you how you can see what's actually linked with any current element. So let's take, for example, this element. That's the topic of depression and memory. The current concept is imports. That is one of my defaults, like the to-do, this kind of thing. Gotcha. First, what I will do is Ctrl-Shift-P, and I will modify the concept to memory. For me, my main concept is this one. But I'm not limited to this. I can link other concepts to this element, and that is what I will do. And is this icon here, link the current element with any concept from the registry. And let's see, depression. So one of my concepts in the registry already exists, that is depression. Gotcha. So now, if I go to the view and link list, you will see I have depression and itself, the very same item. Here there's no memory, because memory is not linked, it's set. The memory concept is set, it's not linked. And I could do more. Let's see, now I will do it for the sake of the example. I will also link cognition. I accept. So now if I go to view and link list, now there are those two concepts and itself. So view and link list is just for the currently displayed element, but I could get to anyone in the link registry.